No.
What genre you prefer?
I like to keep it a little bit of drama, a little bit slice of life. Murder mystery is also good.
How many novel you have completed by reading till yet?
I have not kept account of it.
Your favorite novel?
Fine balance. Rohit Mystery.
Any favorite character from novel?
Uh, no, it's just as I think it's quite painful, the story and the no particular character, but the whole description of it and yeah.
Any novel you didn't like very much and you want to advise to writer?
I didn't like and I want to.
Advice to writer. Can do anything.
No, no, no. I don't want to. I think even if I don't like a story or like a novel, I'm nobody to advise the author about it because liking a creative product is a very subjective piece. I might like it, somebody might not like it. The author wrote it with certain vision and commitment towards it. So cheers, and I don't want to spread any negativity around any pieces I didn't like. It's my personal choice. Yeah.
Any line or phrase you want to share with your audience?
Sorry.
Any line or phrase you want to share with your audience?
Any line? Um, Not that I can remember at the moment. There are too many. Like I don't remember at the moment, but um, something about equality and I don't want to phrase it wrong, but yeah, I'll come back to you next time I see you, where I read it or what was it about.
In a book, how many novel you can read?
In a
Week.
If I have time in hand, I can read three novels. Like depends on what kind of a novel you're reading. How many pages it is. It depends on a lot of things. Yeah, how much time you have in hand.
Do you
Yeah,
have a plan to write?
I wish to. I don't plan to. I wish to.
Fictional or non-fictional?
Fictional.
From where you got to reading habit?
My mother. And I think my grandmother as well. Yeah, mostly my mother because my mother used to read me and my brother Peter Pan stories and Snow White and she used to buy us all these comic books, Chacha Chaudhary, Archie's, Tintin, and developed a habit. And then our cousins, my masi and everybody, they used to get us like really nice fancy comics and novels from Europe. So I think that is somewhere in childhood में आपका develop होता है कि you're more curious about it and you're attracted towards the glossy paper, the shiny characters, and the pop-up art, and I think the storytelling also because when I used to be sick, my mama used to tell me, even if I wanted to be read Peter Pan again and again, again and again, again and again. She used to do that to me ample number of times when I was sick. So I think a lot came from that side, and she's she has a collection of these Mills and Boons books, novels. She has an entire cupboard, a library of it. So I think I've grown up watching her read a lot. So my mother, I think, yeah. Yeah, my papa and my grandma also reads a lot, but I think larger influence is mama.
If you want to suggest any novel to audience, which novel you will suggest?
A fine balance. I think it is Little Women. There are a lot of great books that have been written, and one must read. Yeah. Thank you. ढेर सारा प्यार सभी लोगों को और थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग मी एंड आई please write to me the books you want me to read and since I'm working, so keep them like smaller number of books and shorter number of stories. Thank you. Hi, this is Aisha Singh. You're watching me on TV and Entertainment Studio.